The Melon Watermelon Ball scoop is an essential addition to any kitchen, especially for those who love to incorporate fresh fruits into their culinary creations. This stainless steel tool boasts a robust design and a comfortable grip, making it easy to scoop perfect balls of watermelon and other melons. The scoop's sharp edge effortlessly cuts through even the ripest fruit, ensuring that users can extract beautiful, evenly sized spheres that are perfect for fruit salads, garnishes, or desserts. One of the standout features of this scoop is its versatility. While it is designed primarily for melon, it works equally well with various fruits, including honeydew, cantaloupe, and even soft vegetables. This functionality allows users to get creative in the kitchen, whether they are preparing a refreshing fruit platter for a summer gathering or crafting intricate desserts. The stainless steel material not only provides durability but also makes the scoop easy to clean. It is dishwasher safe, which is a significant convenience for those who prefer low-maintenance kitchen tools. Additionally, the tool's polished finish resists rust, ensuring that it remains a kitchen staple for years to come.